Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HXCE122. This is a 1999 Chevrolet Express van. It's actually converted into a Gladiator conversion. It only has 89,000 miles. It was involved in a collision here in the left front. Very well maintained vehicle. We will be selling this as an engine transmission dropout. So, hot rodders out there, this is a nice, non-abused, low mileage 5.7. $89,939 miles. Revs up nice and smooth. And it looks like they had just had their oil changed at Walmart. Once again, thanks for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HXCE122. Thank you and have a nice day.